Good morning, all of you. So the chapter which was going on yesterday, we will continue that only. The chapter that was going on, it was direct and indirect speech. Okay. Some of the basic rules related to the chapter we have discussed already. Now we will continue the chapter and we will go ahead. What I told you about, what I told you to change the direct speech sentences into indirect speech, I told you that three kinds of changes takes place. Just a minute. I was telling you that.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Radhika.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, dear. What about you?
Mine also fine.
That's nice to listen. Okay, so what I was telling, that direct and indirect speech, when we are changing the direct speech sentences into indirect speech, three kinds of changes I told you. See, now you people know the basic information that what kind of sentences are called direct speech sentences and what kind of sentences are called indirect speech sentences. And see, because we are learning these things from last 2 days, so you should know about these basic things, that what kind of sentences are called direct speech sentences. Mean the sentences which contains the actual words of the speaker. Fine, those will be called direct speech sentences. And the sentences which we change according to us while we are just telling that information to someone else. So we change the information according to us. The actual words of the speaker are changed. That is called indirect speech. Fine. In direct speech, we use inverted commas and you can say quotation marks for showing the reported speech actually. Fine. Now we were discussing that what kind of changes takes place, what kind of changes we do when a direct speech sentence when a direct speech sentence is changed into indirect speech sentence. Fine. We were learning about that. And first change I told you, that was pronoun change. Then tense change. Then time and expression change. First change was pronoun change, second change was tense change, third change was time and expression change. First change we have discussed in yesterday's class. Now we will go for the second kind of change. Fine. What I told you yesterday, that I say, comma, inverted comma, you are good enough. See, I am writing 2 or 3 sentences on the board so that I can describe the difference between these two. I will say, comma, inverted comma, he is a good guy, or you can say he is a good singer. He is a good singer. Fine. Then I said, comma, inverted comma, you are my best friend. See, now we should concentrate on this part first. The part that is actually out of the inverted commas. We should concentrate on that part. Fine. If this is called reporting verb. This part of the sentence will be called reporting verb. This part that is out of the inverted commas, that will be called reporting verb, and the part that is inside the inverted commas, the sentence that is written within the inverted commas, that will be called reported speech.
Reported speech.
Yes. First thing we should concentrate on this part, means on reporting verb we should concentrate. If this is in प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर टेंस, आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे कि अगर ये प्रेजेंट या फिर फ्यूचर टेंस में, व्हाट इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर टेंस? इफ इट इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस इट विल कंटेन फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सिंगल फर्स्ट फॉर्म. इफ इट is given in future tense, that it will contain will say or shall say. Fine, that is identification. Yes, that this is in present tense. Yes, fine. If this is in present tense, मतलब अगर ये वाला part जो है आपका reporting verb, if it is in present or future tense, the tense change doesn't happen. Tense का change नहीं होता in reported speech. Getting my point? Tense means as like are, as like is. Fine. Are and is both belongs to present tense only. Means हम इसको past में change नहीं करेंगे. Fine. But if the reporting verb is in past tense, तो ही ये वाला change होगा, second kind of change. एक चीज याद रखना, जो हम फर्स्ट चेंज प्रोनाउन का चेंज वी हैव लर्नड यस्टरडे. फाइन, कि सब्जेक्ट आपका फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है तो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा, सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन है तो ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा, थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन है तो नो चेंज. फाइन. नाउ दिस टेंस चेंज इफ इट इज इन से और विल से, देन टेंस विल नॉट चेंज. प्रोनाउन चेंज तो होंगे, टेंस नहीं चेंज होंगे. फाइन, यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. Now we will change it in indirect speech. The first sentence will be changed. Fine. I say. This comma and inverted commas are removed when we transfer direct speech sentence into indirect speech sentence. These inverted commas are removed. Fine. So we are removing them, and at the place of inverted commas we use a conjunction that is that. Getting my point? Hanji?
Yes, ma'am.
After removing these inverted commas, we use a conjunction that for actually joining both part of the sentence. ये एक पार्ट है सेंटेंस का, ये दूसरा पार्ट है. हम इनको ज्वाइन करने के लिए कंजंक्शन का यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर रिमूविंग द इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. फाइन. नाउ you is second person pronoun. You is second person pronoun or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If you remember, yes, we have discussed this in yesterday's class. I, my, me, we are, us. That is first person pronoun. You, your, yourself. You, your, yours. That is second person pronoun. He, she, it, names are related. He, she, it, name, his, him, them, their. That is third person pronoun. Fine. Please switch off your mic. So, you is the second person pronoun. Its second person pronoun is changed according to the object. Now we are not having any object. Object कोई है ही नहीं, क्योंकि I से सिर्फ इतना सा ही sentence है, इतना सा ही reporting verb है. We are not having any subject. So I say that you जो है वो किसके according change होगा? When we are not having any object. It means it is understood. I say किसको? सामने वाले को. I say you are a good boy. You are good enough. Fine. So हम you है वो सामने वाले के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करेंगे. Now the person who is listening, he is telling. That person is telling us. So it will be he. I say that he is good enough. Are you getting? ये जो you है सामने वाले के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा तो ये ही बन जाएगा. He या she. It can be she also because we do not know. You से कुछ क्लियर नहीं हो रहा that person who we are talking to, that is a male person or female person. Are you getting? You से कैसे पता चलेगा? If I am saying you are good. You are good. I don't know. You cannot know that I am talking to a boy or I am talking to a girl. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we can use he and we can use she also. Fine. Moving to the next one. Now we will change this sentence. Second sentence we are learning how it can be changed into indirect speech sentence. Again, see, concentrate on reporting verb first. That it is also given in future tense, and we know already that whenever we are when we are having reporting verb is in present and future tense. When reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the rest of the part means reported speech, the change of the tense doesn't take place. Fine. I will say, how we will change it? I will say that he is third person pronoun. He is third person pronoun. He, she, it, name. So it doesn't change. It will be he only. That he. अब यहाँ पर will से है इसलिए यहाँ पर is का is ही रहेगा. Was तो बना नहीं सकते. क्यों नहीं बना सकते? क्योंकि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हमारी फ्यूचर टेंस में है और हमने पढ़ा है कि फ्यूचर टेंस में जब भी होगा हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब या फिर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जब भी हमारा प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस में होगा तो यहाँ का टेंस वैसे की वैसे रहेगा. प्रेजेंट है तो प्रेजेंट ही रहेगा, फ्यूचर है तो फ्यूचर ही रहेगा. फाइन. सो ही इज अ गुड बॉय, सॉरी गुड सिंगर. That will be the change. Now we are moving to the next one. Now we are having this is in past. Said. Said means second form of the verb. Second form of the verb is called past tense. Fine. Now the changes of verb will take place. Changes of tenses. Fine. I said. We will remove comma, inverted comma. These one will be removed. We will use that. You is second person pronoun. पहले हम pronoun का change पे ध्यान देंगे, फिर हम tenses के change पर ध्यान देंगे. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were having you. I said you will be changed. We are talking to the person who is just in front of us. Fine. Now I am telling this someone else. किसी और को बता रही हूँ. तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी? I said that he. R will be changed. Is MR is always changed into was were. Fine. So was. He के साथ was use होगा या कि were use होगा?
Was.
He is a single person. So we will use was. He was my best friend. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am.
हाँ जी. Yes, beta.
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. See, I am telling you people about the changes of tenses. एक table बना रही हूँ मैं. On the next page I am making a table. Fine. See. See, simple present. Simple present changes into simple past. Simple present changes into simple past. Fine. Simple present जो है simple past में change होता है. Means if we are having do or does, means first form of verb is changed into second form of verb. Fine. If we are having is, am, are, that is changed into was and were. When we do these changes, first thing should be kept in mind. When do we do these changes? कब करते हैं हम ये वाले changes? बताइए. When the reporting verb is in past tense. Reporting verb means the part that is outside of the inverted commas.
Yes, ma'am.
The part that is outside of the inverted commas, if it is in past
Ma'am,
tense.
first part.
If it is in past tense, then only this kind of changes are done. समझ में आई है बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Only then we will do these changes. Fine. Then this was is MR means simple present की बात कर रहे थे. Now we will see if we are having present continuous means is MR plus action ing. Then it will be changed was, were,
ing.
ing. Fine. It will be changed. Is MR, was, were plus action ing. Then we will say if we are having simple past. If we are having simple past, it will be changed into past
Simple
perfect.
present.
No. Past perfect. I'm giving you an example also. Simple past means second form of verb. As like we are having played. Second form of the verb. Simple past is called second form of the verb. Fine. If we are having played,
Yes,
if we are having did, if we are having ring का second form rang लगा लीजिए, means whenever we are having second form of the verb, then it will be changed into past perfect means had plus third form. And had plus third form, play का second form played ही होता है और third form भी played होता है, means had played. Getting? हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If we are having past continuous means was or were plus ing. Was, were plus ing. It will be changed into past perfect continuous. It will change into past perfect continuous. Okay. What it will become? Was, were action ing will become had been action ing. Had been plus ing. Getting?
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
be
Yes,
changed into
ma'am.
past perfect continuous. You should know the identification of each and every tense. If you know the identification of each and every tense, that will be more easy for you. That will be easier for you to change the was, were plus action ing. आपको पता है कि ये past perfect continuous में change होता है. अगर आपको पता है कि past perfect continuous का identification क्या है, what do we use in past perfect continuous, so you can easily change them. Fine. Next thing, if we are having past perfect means had plus third form. If we are having had plus third form, it doesn't change at all. Doesn't change. Fine. Means had plus third form will be had plus third form only. It will not change. Fine. Next is if we are having will, it will be changed into would. If we are having may, it will change into might. If we are having shall, it will change into should. Fine. Must will be changed into had to. So these are all the changes that we do while changing when we are having reporting verb is in past tense. Fine. When our reporting
ma'am.
verb is in past tense, this kind of changes of tenses take place in reported speech. Reported speech के अंदर इस तरह के changes किए जाते हैं. Fine. So we will take some examples also based on these ones. Based on these changes, we will take some examples now. We will learn some examples. With the help of examples, it will be with the help of examples, we will easily understand them. Fine. Yes, Raj, you can do it. Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you jotting down it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Next.
Okay. Yeah. We will take some examples. We will come to know the changes of tenses with the help of some examples. Fine. See.
Yes, ma'am.
I said to him. He Just a second. This is the sentence. I said to him, he gives me a gift on my birthday. Fine. Now we will change it into indirect speech. Fine. Now see. This said to. Said to जब भी होता है, that is always changed into told. If it is single said to नहीं है, I said के बाद, the sentence is like that. Fine. I said. तो हम क्या करेंगे? I said that. Fine. And we will change this sentence. But
Yes,
if we
ma'am.
are having I said to him. I said to him. Then I told him. Said to is changed into told. Getting? Now, see, we will change first. We will change this. Then we will come to the next one. I said that. He is third person pronoun.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
is third person
Yes,
pronoun.
ma'am.
So it doesn't
Yes,
change
ma'am.
at all. It doesn't change at all. Third person pronoun doesn't change. So
Yes,
he
ma'am.
will be he. He will be he only. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Gives is first person. Sorry, first tense means present tense, and always present tense. Simple present tense is changed into simple past tense.
Gave.
Simple present tense into simple past
Gave.
tense. So it will
Gave.
become gave.
Gave.
Now see, me is me is first person pronoun. First person pronoun.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
person pronoun change according to subject. And
I.
subject is I. I said that he gave. Me का me ही रहेगा. He
Yes,
gave
ma'am.
me a gift.
On my birthday.
My
On my birthday.
birthday.
हो सकता है.
Now we are taking another example. See. एक सेकेंड रुकिए. Yeah. I said to him, you give me a gift on my birthday. Fine. I told you already that said to is changed into told. Sorry. T-O-L-D. I told him. Fine. Comma, inverted commas will be changed into that. Fine. Now,
Yes,
concentrate.
ma'am.
Concentrate on this word. This is second person pronoun. And
Yes, ma'am.
second person pronoun changes according to object. Means you
Yes, ma'am.
will be changed according to him. So
Him.
it will become, I told him that he.
He.
We will change according to this. He. And give will be changed into gave.
Gave.
Fine. Me is first person pronoun. First
Yes,
person
and
pronoun
me.
changes according to I.
Yes,
I
and
के
there is
according
a
change
me.
होगा तो ये me का me ही रहेगा.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
told him that he gave me a gift
On my birthday.
On my birthday.
on my भी first person pronoun है.
Yes, ma'am.
My will be changed according to I, so it will become
I.
I only. It will become my only. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
On my birthday.
Birthday.
How many of you get this?
Ma'am, I.
How many of you understood? If you are still
Yes, ma'am.
having doubts, see, this is the starting of the changes of tenses. It is a little bit confusing. So some of you may be having doubts. We will clear
Yes.
those doubts. We will take some more examples in our tomorrow's class. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Because the time is over today. So we will take some more examples in our tomorrow's class, so it will be more clear to you people. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
For
Okay, ma'am.
right now, bye bye all of you.